Hey, morning, it's Vicky Rebecca at 7 a.m. and a beautiful D-side morning. I mean, look at those colours. Even my cat wants to go and have a look. So in the morning, my thing is to meditate, green tea and write. You know, that's my gift to myself every morning. It sets me up for a wonderful day. So this morning's blog is top 10 things to make your retreat a total treat. Oh no, a real treat. So I really enjoyed writing it. I've got it, but I thought I'm going to put it out there and ask you, what is your number one thing that would make either your getaway from it all holiday, your spiritual tour, or your chilled out retreat the best? The number one thing. I really want to hear it. Plus, if you can guess, whoever can guess what my number one thing is, and no one who knows me is allowed to say, I'll give something, a £20 voucher off of one of the sessions or a free place in one of the meditation courses. Just, we can discuss that, that's no problem. So, have a wonderful morning. Thank you for listening. Ciao for now.